My name is Monica Martz. I'm a Technical Adoption Manager. Have been with VMware for 5 years and been part of the Hands-on Labs program for 4 years. I am the captain for the Site Recovery Manager Lab and Disaster Recovery. So we provide the overview of the Site Recovery Manager functionality and also the integration with vSphere replication and how the two solutions work together to do a disaster recovery. So anybody that's evaluating solutions to do their business continuity or disaster recovery can take this lab. Usually we go for VI admins or IT managers. The lab gets updated very frequently. We prepare for VMware Explorer, and as new functionality gets released, we update and refresh the lab. Come take the lab, it's great. Site Recovery Manager has been around for 15 years. It's a reliable product, everybody loves it, and just come take the lab and provide us with updates. Let us know how we're doing.